surprised the man catch it as early as they did. This tire doesn't look that messed up. I'm surprised they catched it as early as they did, because this tire doesn't look all that messed up. You know, full of oil. Oh, it's time to put on the wheels. Can't tighten the brakes without putting on the wheels.
Yep.
Feels backwards, but it's not.
It does?
Yeah, because, like, you know.
I'm up early in the morning hustling like I'm still on zero. You hear me? Hustling like I'm still on zero. Nothing to prove other than to myself. And let's go get it, baby. It's a beautiful day to be alive. I need to know, are you really putting in work? This the concrete.
See, when you invest in something and you hustle and you work for something, you got a different type of attachment to it. You're going to have a cold day in hell for somebody to try to take this from you. We live by this, we die by this. We don't surrender, we don't retreat. Every man must search his own soul. I listen to that quote every morning. I want to get mine out the mud. I want mine out the dirt. I don't want no handouts. I don't want no celebrity to co-sign me and somebody to see me in the street and say, I remember when such and such put you on. No. It may sound harsh, but I'm going to beat myself up so the world can't beat me up. Because the world is a cruel